Do-It-Yourself Business Ideas 2021, How to Grow Long-Term Passive Income. Hi, I'm Ricky Williams. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn helium mining into a business that will make a full-time income. This business follows the affiliate sales model, but without the sales. Instead, you are in the blessing business, giving other people new income streams for life that they don't have to work for. In a few minutes, I'm going to tell you about how well you'll get paid. But first, let's see what a Helium Hotspot affiliate business looks like. This is an affiliate program like no other. If you hate the idea of selling a scheme to your friends, family, or even strangers, this is not that. When you sell to people, they can smell it a mile away. Without even thinking about it, their mental guards go up, and they will not even hear what you say. They'll just cut you off, either passively or in a physically rude way. But what if they see your hotspot in your workplace and ask you about it? When you give to people, everything is easier, and you can feel good about what you're doing. It's a good idea to start with the people you care most about. Your family and friends will trust your recommendations, and by the time you start sharing with clients or business associates, you'll know the most important things you want to tell them about getting their own hotspot. When anyone clicks on your affiliate link, they'll see your own iHub Global website. This website is set up for you at no charge and no work required on your part. Everything they need to know to get started is explained here. Once you've had your own hotspot for a while, you can share your own experience and income. More tips. In your website, you have access to a tool called Helium Track. In that tool, you can order a free mining assessment at no cost to you and no cost to the person you're sending it to. You can order these right on the website, and it gives you a mining assessment for the address of people interested in getting a hotspot. You email or text your prospects the free mining assessment for their address, and this is an example of an email. And if they click on that link there that says reserve your hotspot now, it takes them to the mining assessment. And this is what the mining assessment looks like. The free mining assessment lets people know how much other hotspots are earning near their address. So in this example, other hotspots are earning between $113 and $400 per month. So that's a motivation for people that when they see this, that hotspots are earning quite a bit of money near them, then it makes them ready to sign up and go through the process on your website. Tip number 2, share your experiences and impressions on social media. Facebook Messenger is a good place to talk about your hotspot experience. Tip number 3, contact other local business owners. Hotspots can be an easy source of passive income. Tip 4, advertise locally. Local area Google, YouTube, Facebook ads, or print media ads helps you build out your local hotspot network to earn more. Also helps local people and the local economy. Tip 5 is to advertise nationally. Google, YouTube, and Facebook ads are more competitive at the national level, but they also reach more people. Okay, let's talk about iHub Global Affiliate Rewards. Every person who signs up for a Helium Hotspot with your affiliate link will belong to your team. You will earn Helium tokens based on their hotspot earnings. The first 5 people to sign up with you are your pro team, and you will earn 20% on top of however many Helium tokens their hotspot earns. The next 10 people to sign up with you are your bronze team. You'll earn 25% on top of however many HNTs their hotspots earn. And the next 10 people to sign up with you are your silver team. You'll earn 30% on top of however many HNTs their hotspots earn. And finally, every other person who signs up after the silver is on your gold team. And that can be 1 person, or it could be 100 persons. It could be 1,000 people. And you're going to earn 35% on top of however many HNTs their hotspots earn. You will also receive bonus payments based on the performances of the people on your teams. This is an example of how your earnings can stack up. The top row there shows 1 through 10. That's assuming that you're at the gold level And these are the first 10 people on your gold team. And each of those 10 people are earning, in this example, they're earning 10 HNT a month. And you get 35% of that. If those people sign up 5 people under them each, then you also get a cut of that. If that level signs up more people, you go down to the third level and you get a percentage of those Helium tokens. In this example, for the 10 people on your gold team, you would earn 35 HNT, which is about $100 in today's rate. If the people on your team signed up 5 people each on their pro team, then potentially you could earn 75 more HNT or a couple $100. That could be less or it could be more. And for this example, which is obviously made up, if everybody was performing the same, and they won't be, but you're going to get some people that perform well, and there's a potential to pay off pretty well. In this example, if everybody enrolled 5 more people on their pro teams at the third level there, potentially they could earn 2,500 HNTs for all 10 slots, and you could earn 15% of that, which would be 375 HNTs. So potentially for this example, you could earn almost $15,000 a month. And again, this is just an example, but this does a good job of showing the potential, for your rewards to stack up pretty quickly based on how many people are under you. In the next video, we'll look at how to create an extra high-paying hotspot cluster. In the meantime, if you want to get your own hotspot miner, then keep watching my videos to help you understand the risks and the rewards. If you can't wait, you can get started right away by clicking the first link in the comments below. Click the nationalconsumeradvocate.com/helium-miner link in the first comment below this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get the latest info about making money with your hotspot.